All right, I want to show you guys what this looks like all set up. I've got it here in the bedroom. You can see that it's got a disconnected piece, so you can use that to maybe pull out further. I know my legs stick out a bit more, so I do appreciate the fact that they made that longer. Now over here, the main piece, the main part of the beanbag itself, you can see it is almost at like a 90-degree angle. I like pushing it here up against the wall because I feel like it just makes it a little bit more upright, and that's more comfortable for me. But if you do pull it out, you'll see that it does start to lean back a little bit, and that's a more relaxed position. So it kind of just depends on how you want to sit in it. Now, like I said, I use this here in my bedroom, and I'll use it for things like working on my computer, on my laptop. I'll use it for reading, watching TV, or honestly just chilling, hanging out on my phone. I feel like it's a perfect piece for a bedroom, or if you have a small living room, I feel like it would fit great in there as well. So if you're looking for something that's going to be super comfortable, this is the one. You could see it's nice and padded. When you first take it out of the box, it is going to come in a suction bag, so it'll be a bit hard at first, but you just have to kind of play with it, sit on it, and the more you do, the more it's going to fill out and the more comfortable it'll be. You can see the material here is almost like a nice soft carpet kind of vibe. So this is a good mix of actually looking good and being comfortable. I've seen some of the other ones, you know, they're extremely comfortable, but they don't look that great in your bedroom. And I feel like this one really fits my room. So if you're looking for a comfortable, form-fitting beanbag chair, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.